for a dead interaction.
No, I know. I thought this would be like a fun.
Dude, fuck's sake. Sorry. Jesus fuck!
And now, after only a 26-minute episode, we are very short. We'll edit this down a lot. No, we won't. This could be a long one. Bob is our winner. Yay!
Okay.
There's still 3 rows of restaurants that we have on here that we didn't even get to. Yeah, this took a while. Let me read the final.
What are you stopping now for, dude?
Viable. It's very loaded. I'm very curious what people are going to say in the comments about this, but I think the friend should have asked.
I have a hot take. I think she should have just dedicated it to her friend. And then you're done.
I don't know. That makes it
And she's
identifiable.
really identified. But then she knows it.
For my
like,
friend.
let the cat out of the bag.
At the beginning, for my friend. It didn't work, bro. Also, I fucked your girlfriend.
What is happening? What the fuck are you doing?
Communication can build resentment, and then 5 years down the line, suddenly there's no respect.
Yeah.
Weddings are also like weddings, you know.
Yeah,
They're like a big.
weddings are so. Weddings.
Yeah,
Yeah, they are.
watch that happen.
Yeah. So the verdict was not the asshole. Comments here, not the asshole. You might.
Taking pictures. Oh my God, Kia! Oh my Lord!
Job of like keeping that secret and masking it. I mean, he didn't really disguise himself or anything, but
No.
it was, yeah, the 24-hour stream he did was such a funny ride.
Yeah, man, I can't believe that. Like, I've done 24 hours, and you guys have probably done 24-hour streams.
Maybe.
I imagine both of you have.
I don't know, I've tended to avoid it. Like 14 or 16 is the longest I've done, but yeah.
24 hours is a slog.
24 hours is a lot.
I was gonna do a 48, but I hit my 30.
okay.
God, watch me honor her. She frees souls and I'm under her. Love continues in the wake of grief. I still love when it takes from me. I learned to lose grace for the end. Did you feel me open
Oh my
up
God,
my
dude.
soul? I'm going back down to the ocean. Just breathe,
Yeah, dude.
just breathe. Did you feel me open up my soul?
Read harder. Closer makes you read better. How much was the woodchuck? The woodchuck could chug as much as he could and chug as much as the woodchuck would if the woodchuck could chug wood. I love that the whole time I just see the top of your head. I got real in there, man. I thought it would help. Oh my god.
The old hood. Oh my god, where are you going? What is this? I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh, I'm not going to. Yeah, what the fuck is this? Backing down the U-turn. Going right there. What the hell is that thing?
Planet.com by Kashif Patauri. Shantytown, slum-themed resort for the tasteless rich.
Excuse me? Oh, God.
Yep. Themed hotels and restaurants can offer people an alternative and fantastic experience. It can be quite popular among tourists when done tastefully. But Shantytown is possibly one of the most tasteful.
Are bad. It's those people who say they would have told the guy the real value. That's a load of horse shit. If you went to a garage sale / estate sale and saw it price at $50, there's not a snowball's chance in hell you would walk up to the homeowner and tell them they might be lost, right? Well, the truth is complicated. You see, Paul Bunyan wasn't just one man. His legend may have been cobbled together from several. There are plenty of tall tales,
for this
no
guy,
pun intended, from all over the Midwest and parts of Canada that have contributed to his mythology. The story.
I've not heard of this. I'm just sort of Googling the pictures and stuff. It looks kind of funny.
It's very funny. It's very entertaining. It's very funny.
Holy shit. That's not good.
I love the people who are on